One going in. Well, we bloody ripped it. But that's going to be hidden by a box. So, still irritating. So it's just doing out template. We've fitted skylight, air fan, the F80S 3.7 awning, and also there's a 440 watt solar panel up there as well. So that's all been done in the last week. I've had a bit of time off work, having also just come back from skiing, so I haven't filmed any of this because I just wanted to crack on while the weather was good. So, one slight problem. You can already see where it's slightly scuffed from this thing here, which is rubber. So just scuffs on here. It's going to be even more annoying when I put a plate, because I'm going to put an L-shaped plate that covers up all of this. So I might have to cut this ever so slightly shorter. Probably just here actually, just a little bit out there, and we'll figure something out here for that stopper. But